This is the Axloie Magic, a pair of true wireless Bluetooth earbuds with touch controls and power bank functions. And today, let's check it out. The box has the picture of the actual earbuds. They actually look quite attractive with this LED light indicator and the shiny finish. On the side of the box, we can see some features. These are true wireless. It has a built-in microphone. The earbud supports 3 hours of listening. It has touch control. And the case has a 3000 mAh battery pack, and some other usual suspects as well. There's not much otherwise on the box, and let's just pop it open. On the top we have a little box contains all the accessories. As we open this box, we can see 3 pairs of extra ear tips in different sizes. Here's a micro USB charging cable, and here's also a really nice carrying pouch. Under here we have the user's manual. It is printed in multi-language. And here's also a warranty card, so if you have a problem with your unit, you can contact Axloie easily. The earbuds in this charging case are in this cutout, so let's take them out. As we can see, these earbuds are truly beautiful. There is no physical button, but a touch-sensitive area under here. In the middle, we have a microphone hole and this blue LED indicator. On the back, we can see the conductive charging points, and that's about it. Very simple design. The charging case has a lid. Once you pop that open, you can see 3 LED indicators showing the battery level of the charging case, 2 sockets for the earbuds to charge and store. On the back there's some specs, and on the right side we can see a micro USB port, and that is for charging of this case. On the other side we can see a full-size USB charge out port, so you can use this case as a power bank. And now let's get right into the in-depth review of the Axloie Magic earbuds, where I give my pros and cons. And let's start with pros. If you're tired of bringing all different kinds of gadgets on the go, the Axloie Magic can ease your headache a little bit. The charging case can be also used as a power bank. If you take a look at it, this case is not actually significantly larger than a typical TWS earbuds charging case. It is still very easy to fit in a pocket. This case can power these earbuds for around 120-30 hours. That's more than a month of use if you listen to music a couple hours a day. Keep in mind this is not going to replace those 10,000 mAh power bank monster. But if you want to boost your smartphone battery life when it dies on you, this charging case can be extremely helpful. Thanks to Bluetooth 5.0, the Magic has a noticeable audio delay, so they're good for both audio and videos. Despite the left earbud is the master earbud, and the right side is the slave, both earbuds can be used separately. Simply grab either earbud, you can pair it individually and use it for taking phone calls while you drive or etc. The sound signature of the Magic is very clear with low compression. Treble is clean and bass is very punchy even at high volume setting. Distortion at highest volume is also very minimal. I have definitely no complaints here. These Magic earbuds use touch-style multifunction button control. This is my first time seeing this application on TWS-style earbuds. So I do have some subsection pros and cons of the touch control. I like the combo control design. By utilizing both left and right earbuds, you can achieve most functions with just 2 left and right buttons. You can power on and off the unit, play pause music, skip tracks, handling phone calls, active noise assistant, and even adjust volume setting. However, you don't have control over enabling pairing mode. Since there is no physical button to press, touch control completely eliminates the discomfort of pressing and pressuring your ear canals and eardrums. However, the biggest disadvantage will be accidental touches. Simply readjust your earbuds can cause your music to pause. You can also accidentally turn on or off your earbuds while they're outside of the charging case, simply by grabbing or touching them. Definitely something to watch out for so that you don't drain the battery while not in use. Overall, the touch control is still a huge advantage and nice to have on these TWS style earbuds. Plus this beefy charging case / power bank, this is definitely a recommended product if you're looking for a pair of true wireless earbuds. If you need more information of the Axloie Magic, click the link in the description down below. Consider like and subscribe to the channel, and as always, I will see you next time.